In this lecture, we will conducting a port scan with a Metasploit. So let me check firstly. As you can see, this is the my Windows machine that runs on a virtual box. Actually, not virtual box. It's a VMware. This is a kind of virtual machine. And today, this stock Windows system will be our target system here. There are the same local access area network. So let's check here, computer, see the properties of it here, and let's run an ifconfig ipconfig command here. As you can see here, they are in the same network. So I didn't did any modifications to these systems. So I newly installed these Windows systems, so I will decrease this size for better seeing. So here, so using the db nmap sv command here. Oops, okay. db nmap. Let me. Yes. db nmap and minus sv, so we can run nmap scan with it. So actually, let's run nmap firstly, nmap sv. So we looked at Windows IP address, but consider we don't know any IP address of it, so we just want to attack our LAN local area network machine, but we don't know its IP address yet. So nmap sv here, nmap sv ifconfig. So let's install network tools, net tools. Here we are installing net tools now. So as you can see here, network tools installed, and we can now use ifconfig command. Ifconfig. As you can see, our IP address is 133. So now let's run nmap scan here. Nmap sp 1,168.198, and now 0 and 24. So this is the subnet mask number. So I will you will learn what this 24 is. There might be 8 or 16 or 24 here. As you can see here, our net mask is 24, so we added 24 to it. Actually, as you can see here, we have two hosts active in this nmap here, but let's make a deep scan here. We have two online machines in our network. Okay, served soon, filtered. Actually, we can use SN as well. As you can see here, we have two online machines that connected to internet now. So now we will scan these particular IP addresses for determining which one is Windows 7 operating, which one is using Windows 7 operating system. So for it, we will add operating system detection model in Nmap. So oops. Oh, and here actually you can see Nmap parameters that we can use. So we will add with big O. Here TCP fingerprint requires root privilege. So if you want to operating system detection, you have to run it with root privileges. Without person, you need to use scan type along with itsu of SN. Okay, SS now. Now starting. So as you can see here, we have VMware here. Actually, VMware. All of these are VMware. Too many fingerprints must just give specific virtual NAT device 20. Oh, 2, and this is 132, 33 here. Now we will actually find these actually the first. Let's try this port, and then we will use in MSF Metasploit console. So now we will add this. We will write our IP address in it here, copy, and here. Now Nmap scan is started and Nmap scan is done. Here one host is active, which is this is probably our Windows host. So here we can see that we run the db nmap command twice because we run it the first time. So actually now we will add pn pn. So let's add pn parameter pn. Oops, actually not. So then 154 100 VMware. So let's run this. It might take some time sometimes here. Or actually it is port number 2 probably. Yes, it's port number 2. Actually not, IP number 2 here. As you can see here, now we can obviously see this is the Windows network. So hence we had to set this pn here, pn switching the nmap command, which denotes and no ping scan. So we can see where we have also defined this SV switch, which denotes a version scan, having several services up and running here. As you can see, actually let's scan other ports as well. So we scan 2. Now we will scan you here. Yes, this is the 2 here. So now we will also scan 133 32 34 actually 34 port. Oops, not this. 134, and we have pn assigned to it, so it might take It might take a little longer because we are running port scanning here. I will pause the video here.